Hello everyone, here we're going to do converse of midpoint theorem. Now according to this theorem, in a triangle, if we draw a line from the midpoint of one side parallel to the another side, then it is going to bisect the third side. Now here, if we consider this triangle ABC, in this one, E is midpoint of AB given to us and EF is parallel to BC. Now this line EF will bisect the side AC, that is AF will be equals to CF. Therefore, if E is a midpoint of AB and EF is parallel to BC, then by converse of midpoint theorem, we get EF bisects AC. That is, AF is equals to CF. Now we are going to do the proof of this one. Now here we have been given with E is a midpoint of AB and EF is parallel to BC. And we have to prove this AF is equals to CF. Now before we start the proving, first of all we are going to draw a line parallel to this one from here. That is CE. And we will extend EF to the point D. So here this line is parallel to this one and this whole line is parallel to this one. So we'll be getting BCDE as a parallelogram. Now we are having a proof as in a quadrilateral EBCD, that is EBCD. In this one we are having BE is parallel to CD and this ED is parallel to BC. As both the pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other, so EBCD is a parallelogram. As in a parallelogram, opposite sides are of equal length, therefore the CD will be equals to BE. Also, this BE will be equals to AE, as E is midpoint of AB. Now, from these two relations, we can conclude that CD equals to AE. And now we are going to prove these two triangles congruent to so that this AF is equals to CF. Now in triangle AEF and triangle CDF, we have got AE equals to CD, just proved over here. Then we can show this angle equals to this one as interior alternate angle. Let this one be angle 1 and this one be angle 2. So angle 1 equals to angle 2 interior alternate angles and this angle will be equals to this one as vertically opposite angles. That is angle AFE equals to angle CFD by vertically opposite angles. Now to prove these two triangles congruent, we have used this angle and this side. So it is AAS. Therefore, we have got triangle AEF congruent to triangle CDF by AAS. And now this AF will be equals to CF by CPCD. Therefore, AF equals to CF by CPCD, hence proved. That's all for this video. Thank you.